Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay, and welcome back to the best place for makeup tutorials, product reviews, challenges, skincare, and more. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the most innovative ways to remove your makeup without using any products. You heard me right. I'm going to show you a very effective and sustainable way to effectively remove all traces of your makeup without irritating your skin. So if you want to know what that is, keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we get into today's video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up because we need to overcome this YouTube algorithm that's beating us smaller creators down, and likes, comments, shares, and all that good jazz definitely helps me out so much. Thank you. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys today a way that you can remove your makeup in a way that's both sustainable and really effective at removing your makeup. Now, this method is something that I've been using for several months now, and honestly, my skin has thanked me so much ever since I stopped using makeup wipes. Now, real quick, let me go on my little makeup wipe rant. Makeup wipes are not good for both your skin and the environment. You use so many makeup wipes on average when you're removing a full face of makeup, and they just go in the trash, and they're just very abrasive, and in my opinion and a lot of others, they're just too rough for the skin. And not only that, they really aren't removing as much makeup as you might think they are. They're just kind of like wetting it up and moving it around, and then a lot of people think that their face is clean and they go to bed or they go on with their day, and really it's just clogging up your pores. It's going to probably cause more acne and congestion in your skin, and it's not something that you want. It's not something I want. Nobody wants that. So not only is it not really effective at actually removing all traces of your makeup, but like I said, it's not a really good sustainable product for the environment. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend I'm like this eco amazing, like I'm all about the environment and the world, like save the trees. Like that's not really me. Like if I can recycle certain things, of course I do, but I'm not like on it at all times. But something that I can do to help eliminate some unnecessary waste is throwing out makeup wipes in general, like just not purchasing them, not using them, nothing. So that's what I did a few months ago. I switched over to Face Halo, and that is what today's video is about. Now, Face Halo are these bad boys. They are makeup removing pads. They are very soft. Now, the ones I'm showing you right now are actually from a special collection. These are the Love is Love Face Halos. There are also a bundle that are the original white ones. There is a Pro Black version, and there's also a new product from Face Halo called Face Halo X, which are just a lot smaller and they're just easier to get into all the little nooks and crannies. But Face Halo is essentially a microfiber cloth pad, round circle, if you will, and it really is so amazing. Now, this company was actually created by a woman named Lizzie Pike, and later on, Chloe Morello, which most people know. I actually didn't know about her till I found out about these bad boys, but Chloe Morello joined the team, and they also had a collaboration, and Chloe has a red face halo, which is kind of iconic because I love red, as you can see. So basically what these do is they are super soft microfiber rounds, and they remove all of your makeup with only water. Water. You don't need products, you don't need oils, you don't need cleansing balms, you don't need anything. Literally put some water on this and you can remove 99.9% of your makeup. That's like a number that I just came up with, but it literally removes all of your makeup on the surface level and then some. Now, of course, once you remove your makeup with these, you'll definitely want to go in and double cleanse and use an oil-based cleanser or whatever face wash you typically use to just kind of wash your face. So even though this does remove pretty much all your makeup, just to be safe, of course, double cleanse because you should be doing that regardless. You want to give your face the absolute best cleanse it can. But the main purpose of why you should use a face halo compared to makeup wipes, which we already kind of discussed, or just other balms or products in general, is that, like I said, you're only using water to remove your makeup, which is, subtracting a lot of the harsh chemicals that you might find in other makeup removers, including a lot of products that have alcohol in it, which dries out your face, and we don't want that. It's really damaging and just not good for your face, so stay away from alcohol. So I'm going to go wet my face halo, and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so I just went and wet my face halo. Now this is the dry one, this is the wet one. You probably can't tell the difference because they're super bright. Maybe that helps, I don't really know. This one's just a lot fluffier than this one when it's wet. Not crazy, but it's definitely noticeable. So there's literally nothing on it but water, and you just kind of squeeze out any of the excess, which there's not much. And what you're gonna do is grab your little mirror so you can see, and oh, I gotta take off my lashes. Look how unprepared I am. I actually created this look using a bunch of Pure Cosmetics products, so definitely go check that out if it's already up. If not, it'll be up. But anyway, take your face halo, and what you're gonna do is always in an upwards motion when you can, just because we don't wanna drag down the skin, but take it and just, whoop. Look at that. Gone. Gone. Like, the first time I ever used this, I was honestly so stunned just because I was kind of skeptical of it, because I'm like, well, you need, makeup remover, you need this and that, and like, no, you don't. You literally just need some water. Like, I don't even make it like warm water or anything. It's literally just water. Like, that's amazing. So let me just get the rest of my neck real quick. Literally 99% of the time when I wear white shirts, I get foundation on my shirt. So like, always forgive me and ignore that. But anyway, so I'm just gonna keep taking off the rest of my foundation, and literally I'm not putting any pressure onto my face almost at all. It's so soft, but it's that effective that you really don't have to do much. Now when I get up to my hairline, yeah, I push up a little bit just so I can push into my hair, because obviously I push foundation up into my hairline because hello. But other than that, it literally just removes it almost immediately, and as you can see, it's all right there. And I just keep going in circular motions and just kind of like wiping it all off. And now you get to see all my flaws and disgusting skin, but like, sorry. So now you're probably like, well, Cody, foundation is so easy to take off. Like, let's try brows, let's try eyes, let's try lips. We're doing it. So for lips, we're gonna turn around to the clean side, and this is a liquid lipstick and some gloss. So we're just gonna, right over it. Just like that. Like literally, it's the fastest makeup removal ever. Like it really, really is. Like I would honestly already be done if I wasn't talking to you guys, but it's that fast. Truly, before I hated doing makeup just because I hated taking off my makeup, because my makeup wipes just made my skin so irritated and red. It broke me out so badly. And now I don't have to worry about it. So now the true test is brows, which has dip brow in it, and then obviously some eyeshadow. Now if there's staining, that's just because it's eyeshadow. It's not because this isn't effective. It's just eyeshadow stains, and that is a whole separate thing. But the product itself gets removed. So we're just going to press it on and just go right across, and it literally removes almost all the makeup in the first swipe. It literally takes everything off. I literally just had waterproof eyeliner on, and look at it. Gone. Now, obviously, sometimes you'll have to take it and kind of fold it like a little taco. You can go in and like, I don't like to stretch my eyes, but this is the only time that I do. You can kind of go in and get into all the little nooks and crannies. But again, this is why Face Halo just made their Face Halo X. So they're really, really small, and you can pretty much put it on a finger and just kind of go in there. Now, like I said, once you're done removing all your makeup, then you'll definitely want to go over your face with your actual cleanser, just to make sure any oils or any other product that might be in your pores is obviously gone or removed before you do your skincare, which you better be doing your skincare. And if you're like, Cody, I really don't know what to use for skincare products, I just uploaded a 7-part Skincare Back to Basics 101 series here on my channel, so definitely want to go check that out. It has everything you need to know, from cleansers all the way down to retinol products. Go check it out. Okay, so now all that's left, obviously, both sides are pretty dirty, so I'm going to switch back to probably the foundation side, just because it's not, gross and dirty, dark like that side is. And I'm just going to go over my brow and take off the pomade that I have in it. Actually, it's not pomade, it's a Makeup Geek brow product. I forgot that I switched it up a little bit. But yeah, I don't have a lot in there, so you won't see like a huge difference, but obviously the product is being removed. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, kind of. Okay, cool. But yeah, literally it's that simple, and it's so soft on your face. It's so super comfortable, and it just makes removing your makeup such an easy thing to do, especially when it's late at night and you don't want to like take off your makeup. Don't ever go to sleep with your makeup on. Just grab one of these, put some water on it, go to town for about a minute and a half, and then you're done. Cleanse your face, throw on your skincare products, and go to sleep knowing that your makeup has been removed in a proper way, an efficient way, and without killing the earth. So that is my little spiel on Face Halo and how you can use it to remove your makeup in such an easy and a sustainable way. So if you guys would like to purchase any Face Halo products, I will link their website in the description box below. No, this video is not sponsored. No, they're not paying me to say anything or do anything. I don't get any kickback from this. It's just I like to help brands out and companies out when I can. So when I can link things down below, I always do. So if you guys would like to check them out, check it out in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Of course, I answer any and all questions on my channel. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you'd like to keep up with all things Cody Jay, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, which I hope you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.